Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M34 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. At first, unroll list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select security and privacy. Click on lock screen and select fingerprint. Click on continue, tap on next. And at first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be PIN code, password or the pattern. Tap on continue, re-enter it, also just to confirm. And now it's time to scan your fingerprint. The sensor is located on your power button, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till it's fully added. And click on done. So that is all. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.